exciting part anyway.
All right, here we go.
This is the step that Taku River Reds does that most other producers don't do. This is pressure bleeding. So the fish already has, we've taken its head off, taken the gills out, and we've gutted it. And now you take effectively a water needle, and that's about how much pressure you want, and you jam it right under the spine into the main artery, and it will eventually flood this area in here. You can see those veins in there. Those veins are full of blood. You kind of work everything out from the back to the forward, and you can already see that the veins are clearing out. They were bright red a second ago. They are not bright red now. Kind of keep working it back to forth, and you can see all that blood. And look at the deck. The deck is nuts. All of that blood was in the fish. So that's good for the moment. Back to the knife. Cut this kidney out. Real easy sweep along the kidney. You use the spoon. A little bit of a schmutz here that we want to take out. That's a technical term, schmutz. You just kind of sweep it back, not too hard. And then you do crack the bones with the end of the spoon. Right here at the back here. There's 6 bones right here that have bits of the kidney in it that you need to get out. Sweep that out. Big old scrape. Get almost all of that kidney out. Again, this is a really big fish, so a little bit more scraping than normal. Get everything out of there. Back to the pressure bleeding. There's a little, especially in a big fish like this, there's going to be some blood back here that we may have missed. So you open it up right where I broke those 6 bones, and jam it in this artery, and you're ideally looking for blood to pool up just like that. This process doesn't take long because there's not that much blood in there. Clears up. You are good to go after a nice rinse. Make the fish all pretty. You really want to squirt hard back by those 6 bones because that's where stuff sticks. Pick them up by the collar. That's why we do this. Clean up the station. That is a beautiful Taku River coho. Hopefully one of you gets it.